Spirit speaks to those whose eyes and ears are open. On this particular day, I went for a walk to Lakeside Park, and my eyes and ears were open because everywhere I looked, I beheld God's resplendent light and sound in all the creatures that I encountered.
Well, I've been looking, well, I've been looking, baby, well, I've been looking for a long, long time for you. Hey, well, tell me, baby, can you feel it? My heart is full of love, I can't conceal it. Spread your wings and fly so high, straight through the sun into a brand new sky. You gotta open up, you gotta let it go. Open up your heart and baby, let the good love flow.
If someone says that they can lead you to reality, chances are they're referring to their reality. As soul, you choose your experiences and create your own reality. All souls are connected by invisible strands of love, light, and sound. Don't bow to kings and rulers. Travel the path of honor and truth with your head held high, and praise the beloved residing in every spiritual heart. Well, thank you for dropping by. We'll see you next time.